Hi, I'm a real estate agent in Portland and Dream Studio made it easy to automate my property videos. Y sí, esa es mi voz en español para poder conectar con más clientes. To automate everything, I just reuse this video and swap in new property details by using lip sync and updated footage.
And this is a practical use case of how we help real estate agents to achieve property video automation.
Property tours still depend on manual video work. It's slow and hard to scale. Every listing needs a new video, new translations, another recording. No wonder it takes forever to go live. With DreamAPI, this process can become faster, automated, and multilingual by design. Real estate teams can create automated property videos in minutes, including choices of multilingual voiceovers. Here's how agents achieve property video automation. First, choose the avatar. Pick from our professional avatar library, or upload your own footage to create personalized digital presenter. Second, add the script. Upload your text script, then select the voice and language you prefer. Our API will generate the speech automatically. Use your own voice. If you want to increase brand identity, upload an audio file or record the voice directly. It will sync perfectly with the avatar. That's why forward-thinking real estate teams are using DreamAPI. From faster video production to seamless multilingual support, we help you market properties more efficiently while strengthening the brand at scale. Want to learn more or see it in action? Visit us at newportai.com or get in touch with our team.